We're continuing now with Chapter 1, Data Collection, Section 1.3 on Simple Random Sampling, and our objective was to use TI-84 technology to obtain a simple random sample. So we're going to learn how to do that here in Part B. So use TI-8384 technology to obtain 4 simple random samples of 5 students from the population of students below. So we have a class of 30 students, and each one's listed with a number. They each have a number associated with their name. So our calculator instructions say that we're going to go to Math, which is right below the word alpha here, Math, over to PRB, which stands for Probability, enter. Oh, no, we don't have to enter now once we're on probability, sorry. Just go down to number 5. It says rand int, random integer. Hit enter. Okay, and we can see let's just clear that out. Clear. Okay, let me try that again. Math, PRB. I didn't want all that in there to get in the way. Okay, now we have random integer. What does it say now? Enter the smallest number needed, a comma, the largest number needed, a comma, and the number of values needed. Close the parentheses and hit enter. All right, we have numbers 1 through 30. Smallest is 1, the comma is above the 7. The highest is 30, again a comma, and we're supposed to select 5 students, so we will pick 5 and tell it give us 5 random integers between 1 and 30, including 1 and 30. All right, so we got 28, 20, 21, and 4. So my first sample, 28, that is Emily. And 20 is April. 21 is Hunter. 1 is Dylan. And 4 is Arcada. Okay, there's our first simple random sample. Let's do it again. Math, PRB, random integer. I want from 1 to 30. I need 5. Go. So this time we got 24, 12, 16, 15, and 28. So 24 is Maggie. 12 is Noah. 16 is Skylar. 15 is Teresa. And 28 is Emily. So notice Emily was selected in both samples. That's okay. But what we can't have is the same person twice. And that can happen in our sample. Let's see what happens if I do this one more time. I might can illustrate it, but if not, I'll just tell you about it. 1 to 30, number 5. This time I got 12, 6, 13, 30, and 8. So I don't have any duplicates. But you can imagine that I might get a duplicate number. You may have been doing this and already found that you got a duplicate number. We don't want the same person twice in a sample. It's okay if they show up in different samples. So when that happens, what we'll do is just run it again. Just start over. We can't just, if we had 2 8s in here, I wouldn't just say, well, let me just put a 7 in instead of an 8. That's not random. So the space below is where we're going to make a note about that. We need 5 different students for each sample, period. If duplicate integers occur, repeat until all 5 are different. It doesn't take that long, but we just have to know what our plan is when that happens. Okay, and we'll continue in the next video.